Welcome to this video. I'm going to be breaking down a recent Google Ads campaign I ran for a spa. Right, so just take a look at what worked and yeah, basically everything. So as you can see, in the last 30 days, we have spent a total of $240. Could have spent more, but as you can see, the clients took a break during these times because of the holiday. Right, so we spent a total of $240 to generate 68 conversions. Let's take a look at the conversion rates. Boom, 17%, which is insane. If you know, you know. Click through rate 10%. And yeah, so let's just take a look at the ad groups and just take a look at the ad group structure. Okay, so the ad groups are actually very simple. We have the general spa, so basically any searches that have spa in it, right? Spa near me, spa in my area, spa in this location, right? Massage, facials, and actually there was another one. I think there were actually two more: waxing and manicure and pedicure, but those didn't really perform, so I had to kill them off. And yeah, so as you can see, click through rate, everything really good. This massage click through rate could be better, but the spa and the facials are actually really good. Right, so yeah, nothing crazy, very simple ad group structure. Let's take a look at the keywords. So yeah, like I said, very simple keyword, right? So the spa general, spa in Abuja, spa near me, spa in Wuse. Look at the let's just look at all the keywords. Okay, so mm, 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 quality score is actually really good. We have an at least 7/10 quality score for most of them, right? Let's look at conversions. So these were our top performing keywords: massage in Abuja, spa in Abuja, spa near me, spa in Wuse. Very, very good. This one literally generated 17 conversions, which is just insane. Which is just insane. Right. So yeah, let's take a look at the ad copy itself. So yeah, the ad copy very, very solid. So as you can see, we are using dynamic keyword insertion. Right. So this boosts click-through rate by a lot, right? So it makes the ad look very, very relevant, really boosts your CTR. So if you're not making use of dynamic keyword headlines, dynamic headlines rather, you should definitely be using it. So yeah, professional spa open 24/7 because they are open 24/7, right? Um Location insertion and that one that you should be using. So yeah, really 5-star spa experience, which is good. So this is the offer they were running. So yeah, very, very good keywords. We're making use of image assets. Let's take a look at the assets actually. So you can see very relevant assets, site links, um, call outs, images, call extension, images. Right. So yeah, that's it for this particular campaign. And if you want similar results, you can click the link in the description and get in touch with me.